As Meta Ads strategist, content creator, and founder of Maaramid Digital will share how he rebuilt his brand from scratch after letting go of 100K worth TikTok account. What? 100K following? That no longer reflected who he is. So, how did he do that? By resetting his approach and aligning his work with his energy. He started earning six figures, built a community that trusts him, and created opportunities that truly resonated. In this PC night, he will show us how he slowly and with structured action can lead to real momentum, and why sometimes the best comeback is the one done quietly but with purpose. So let's hear it for King.
Hey!
Let's go,
Parang
King!
Go,
parang
go,
naiba
go,
yung topic, ah.
King!
Parang sakto ata naman na inintroduce yung ano yung OP7 kasi parang this topic, paano kayo magkakapera? Paano kayo magkakaroon
Let's
paano
go.
kayo magkakaroon ng pambayad sa OP7? Just kidding, guys. So, just gonna share my screen. Paano ba mag-share? Wait a minute. Wait lang po. Kita naman.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayan. So, I'm batch 9 ng Master Camp nung 2022, nung nakilala ko sila Coach Louie. So, parang nakapag-yes rin ako dito sa PC night na 'to. It's because, sabi ko parang baka merong ma-touch na bago mag-end yung taon nila is meron silang masimulan at least. So, I want everyone na, kung business owner ka, kung nag-a-affiliate ka, kung creator ka, is magamit mo yung Meta Ads kung, para ma-accelerate yung mga ginagawa mo sa buhay. So, this just a beginner guide. So, normally 'pag nag-i-speak ako or nagto-talk ako ng ads, tumatagal siya ng 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours para ma-explain ko siya lahat. So, wala akong gano'ng time ngayon kasi, I given lang mga 20 minutes to talk about this. So, kung kakayanin, isa-summary natin siya lahat ng sobrang bilis lang talaga. So, this talk is all about lang para i-explain sa inyo yung parang feeling ko 3 core campaigns na pwede nyo magamit 'pag gusto nyo ng mag-scale sa mga ginagawa nyo sa buhay. It's either business nyo man 'yan, or it's either nag-a-affiliate kayo, or meron kayong mga products, services na gustong i-promote, or kahit mismong content nyo lang. So, titignan natin kung yung 3 core campaigns na yon is kung ano dun yung mas fit sa inyo. Tapos, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag-run ng una nyong ads. Okay? So, medyo technical yung ibang term, pero sana masundan natin. So, kaya natin to guys. So, mostly sa atin na nandito, gumagawa na talaga ng content or may planong gumawa ng content. And I myself, believer ako na sobrang lakas ng content nowadays. Na parang ang content is para siyang Bitcoin noong 2009. So pag in-start nyo siya ngayon, sobrang laking magiging effect nito sa buhay nyo in the near future. But sometimes, napapansin natin na sobrang tagal ng progress, sobrang tagal ng result pag sa business, sobrang tagal walang nakakakita kahit sobrang ganda na nung binebenta natin, sobrang ganda na nung offer natin, sobrang ganda na lahat, lahat plakado na, sobrang ganda na ng content, pero walang nakakakita, walang parang kung may makakita, may bibili eh. Something like that. So, dun papasok yung ads. So, sobrang importante niya this 2026 kasi ang daming nangyayaring updates. Ang daming nangyayaring updates sa Meta. For me, Meta is still one of the strongest social media platform ngayon. Marami pa ring tao gumagamit ng Facebook at ng Instagram. And maraming gumagamit ng mga social media platform na yon na bumibili talaga sila. So the purpose of ads is to speed up at least yung progress ng mga ginagawa natin sa loob ng platform. So, syempre, faster growth, clicks, and sales. So, ano ba talaga yung meta ads? Palagi ko kasi ring naririnig yan. So, actually, alam niyo na yan, lalo na pag gumagamit kayo ng Facebook tapos ng Instagram. If you're familiar, pag nag-scroll kayo sa Facebook or sa Instagram, may nakikita kayong sponsored na posts, those are ads. So, pinapakita yon sa mas maraming tao para mas malaki yung tsansa na bumili sila or mag-avail sila ng services to the right people. So, nilakihan ko yung faster dito kasi pag may combination talaga ng content mo tapos nung ads, mas malaki talaga yung chance to make your services or product sales. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, pag may nakita kayong sponsored or ads dyan, yun na yun, meta ads na yan, guys. So, ito yung 3 core campaigns na gusto kong ipaliwanag sa inyo. So, the one is the awareness, second is the traffic, and the third is the conversion or the messaging. Personally, ginagamit ko tong tatlo na to in different platform lang rin, or in different goals or in different businesses. So, unahin natin tong awareness campaign, no? So sa awareness campaign kasi, nakikita ko to na perfect sa content creator. Pag gusto nilang maka-reach ng mas maraming tao. Like, gusto nila ng mas maraming viewers, gusto nila ng mas maraming followers, gusto nila ng mas maraming engagement, and they have the capability na mag-raise ng investment at mag-run ng ads para sa content nila. So the awareness campaign is the one thing na hinahanap ninyo. So the second thing is the traffic campaign. Ito naman yung para sa mga affiliate marketer. Personally, ginagamit ko tong campaign na to sa affiliate. If you're affiliate with Shopee affiliate, Lazada affiliate, or the third-party apps like Ecomobi, Involve Asia, and etc. So, bago kasi nagka-TikTok shop or TikTok affiliate, ito yung isa sa mga malalakas na affiliates before. So, ginagawa namin is para mapakita or mapaklik namin sila dun sa product na possible na mga bumili ng mga target audience namin. Ginagamitan namin siya ng traffic campaigns. Ang kagandahan kasi nito, natatest na namin lahat. So, pag clinic nila yung link, rekta na sila dun sa may Shopee, or Lazada or anything na pag-orderan nila. So, pag umorder sila, meron kaming commission. So, pag nagra-run kami ng ads as affiliate marketer, mas dumadami yung sales or commissions namin pag naka-ads kami. So, compared sa lalo na pag nagsisimula pa lang, naranasan ko rin kasi na organic ako nung nag-affiliate marketing year 2023, 2024. So sobrang hirap talagang makakuha ng sales and commissions pag organic that time. Pero nung trinay naming mag-run ng ads to raise at least I think 10,000 ata or 20,000 yung binigay namin, we see result na maganda para papagkataan. Kasi this type of business is hindi mo kailangan talaga ng sobrang daming time to do it. The next one is for the business owners. Ito yung mga conversion or messaging campaign. So sa mga business owners dyan, kung gusto niyo ng maraming inquiries, mas maparami yung sales ninyo, or magkaroon kayo ng mas maraming leads, etc., I think this campaign is the one to use. The conversion or the messaging campaign. Conversion, pag meron kayong mga landing pages, meron kayong mga website, or pwede naman kayong gumamit ng messaging kung gusto niyo, kung wala pa kayong mga assets tulad nun. Para, ngayon kasi pag Philippine business, mostly, mas gusto pa rin ng mga tao na nakikipag-usap. So pag nakakausap natin sila sa message, mas malaki yung chance na bumili sila. So when you use this conversion of messaging campaign, mostly meron kang products dyan, mga e-com, may services or spa, aesthetic clinic, or actually pwede rin mga courses like OP and mga digital offers kung ano yung gusto nyong i-offer. So, lahat naman pwedeng ibenta basta hindi illegal. So, pwede nyo namang ibenta lahat yan sa Facebook, guys. Basta sumusunod tayo sa rules and regulation ni Meta. So, this is a simple beginner workflow, pero iisa-isahin natin ito para hindi kayo maguluhan. So as a content creator, may mga content na kayo madalas, pero kung wala, pwede naman kayong gumawa. So mostly ang ginagawa namin, personal experience, pumipili na kami ng post or ng videos na may traction na talaga sa organic. Okay? So, pag nakita namin na mas marami ng nag interact dun sa content na yon, mas marami ng engagement sa content na yon, mostly para hindi na mahirapan si Meta, ginagamit na namin yung content na yon. So, para hindi na rin kayo mahirapan kung ano ba dapat yung i-ads ninyo na content. So pag nakapili na kayo ng content na gusto niyong i-ads, use the ads manager. So meron kasing dalawang type paano ka makakapag-run ng ads sa Meta. Medyo technical, meron tayong boosting, yung familiar sa inyo, yung pag nakita niyo yung boost this post or boost post, pag click niyo yan, magra-run na siya. So hindi ko siya sinasuggest na gamitin ninyo. So use ads manager na lang para mas control niyo yung mga dapat niyong gawin, tapos mas maganda yung result. So meron akong regalo sa inyo after this talk. So um, isa siyang PDF file na sinigurado ko na pag nabasa niyo yung PDF file na yon is makakapag-run na talaga kayo ng ads. Kasi hindi talaga kakayanin na mag-walkthrough ako ng buong ads manager para mapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya ginagawa. So, it's a gift na lang para ads manager na yung gamitin nyo at hindi na siya boosting. Okay? So, choose the objective. Sobrang daming objective sa Meta Ads. I think 8, 9, 10, something. So, pero focus kung ano lang ba talaga yung kailangan nyo. So, doon naman sa may PDF, pinaliwanag ko naman each objective. Pero, just to para maikli lang, kung gusto niyo ng awareness, then go with awareness kung creators kayo. Kung gusto niyo kung affiliate kayo, tapos gusto niyo na ng mas maraming traffic sa mga websites, sa mga Shopee links ninyo, or sa mga affiliate links ninyo, then do the traffic. And then, kapag gusto niyo, mga business owners naman kayo na gusto niyo dumami yung inquiries ninyo or yung conversion ninyo sa sales, then choose conversion. Okay, sobrang importante kasi ng pag-choose ng objective. Kasi pag dito pa lang, mali na kayo, hindi kayo matutulungan ni Meta. Gusto niyo pala ng sale tapos awareness yung pinili ninyo. Gusto niyo pala ng dumami yung mag-visit doon sa my website ninyo, pero awareness yung ginamit ninyo. Ayaw nyo ng message, pero message yung ginamit nyo. So choosing the best or the perfect objective para sa goal ninyo is the first thing para gumana yung mga ads ninyo. Okay, simple targeting. Actually, ngayon, may tatlo lang naman sa targeting. It's either broad, may interest, pwede kayo mag-interest kung mga nanay ba sila, mga graduates na ba sila ng college, basta demographics, behaviors, interest, lahat yan pwede nyo i-target dito. Like for example, sa mga business na hawak ko, one of my business na hawak is yung kids clothing. So mostly ng interest sa tina-target namin dito or demographics is mga parents talaga na may mga anak na 0 to 12 months, 1 to 2 years old, 3 years old to 5 years old. Ganun naman siya ka-specific. Okay? So pero mostly sa simple targeting na to, best way talaga na sobrang ganda rin nung caption or yung content mo mismo para mas madali si Meta kasi sobrang powerful ng creative or ng mga contents, videos, or photos para mas maging madali yung mga targeting sa loob ng Ads Manager. Sa budget, you can start with $1 to start per day. Okay? Pero syempre, business ni Meta to, mas malaki yung budget actually, mas maganda talaga. Pero siguro to start, nire-recommend ko para lang matry ninyo, 100 to 200. Kila Ate Kay dati, last time, ang nirecommend ko sa kanila, 500 per day. So, magra-run siya ng mga ilang araw, depende kung ano yung goal ninyo. So, kung meron kayong mga courses, syempre magra-run lang siya dun bago mag-end yung enrollment. Or kung mga e-com naman, tapos sobrang dami pa ng stock, tuloy-tuloy lang siya hanggang ma-sold out. So hanggang sa nagre-restock na lang kayo, tapos ads, restock ads, restock ads. So, firm believer na ako na yung combination ng content and ads talaga super powerful. I'm telling you, sa next year, mas magiging mas malakas pa siya. Kasi sobrang daming binabago, sobrang daming ina-update para mas maging gumana pa yung ads in the near future. Isipin nyo to kung na-experience nyo na siya. Minsan, kaming magkakaibigan nag-uusap about, oy tarang bumili, ay tarang magsanggipsal. Tara kumain sa isang restaurant na ganito. And then out of sudden, pag nag-scroll kayo sa Facebook, may makikita kayong sanggipsalan, may makikita kayong kainan. That's how powerful algorithm ni Facebook currently is. Paano pa pag mas lalong nag-update yung meta? So, ang hirap kasi na meron kang binebenta, meron kang gustong ipakita, sobrang ganda ng product mo. Pero yun nga, hindi naman sila aware na meron ka pala nun. Hindi naman sila aware na nag-offer ka pala nun. So with the using of ads, matutulungan kanyang ipakita yung mga yon sa mas marami pang tao. So clear CTA, check product, send message, watch more content. Sobrang importante rin ng call to action. Kasi kung hindi nila alam kung ano yung next na gagawin nila, maliligaw sila. Okay? So, pag nagbebenta ka, kung gusto mo silang mag-send ng message para makapagtanong sila, send message. Learn more. Makikita niyo yan lahat ng CTAs sa may loob ng Ads Manager naman. So, makakapili kayo kung ano yung pwede nyong itest. Merong Shop Now and etc. So, minsan kasi madalas, pag nag-run kayo ng ads, syempre, naglalabas tayo ng pera. Naglalabas tayo ng investment para may makakita ng mga binebenta natin or ng mga gawa natin. Tapos nag-overthink tayo, tama ba to? Palitan ko nga to. Galawin ko nga to. Ang dami mong ginalaw. Don't do that, guys. Let Meta learn. So, makikita nyo naman kung sobrang pangit talaga ng result ng ads ninyo. Pero as much as possible, wag kayong masyadong palit ng palit sa settings ng Ads Manager. Yung sa send kong PDF, pinaliwanag ko yung ibang mga settings doon na yun lang muna yung pwede yung pindutin. Kasi mamaya may mapindot kayo doon na hindi naman pala kailangan para sa pagraran nyo ng ads. So let Meta learn. Matalino si Meta, guys. Kaya niya ngang ipakita sa iyo yung mga parang kausap, ay yung chat nyo lang, kani-kanina lang. Or pag nag-search ka ng places, marami na magpapakita. Ganon katalino si Meta. So let Meta learn. So hayaan nyo lang siyang mag-learn siguro 1 week, 2 weeks, or kung talagang pangit naman talaga yung result, tapos talagang hindi nyo nagusto, siguro pwede nyong i-edit pero sobrang minimal lang. Kasi ang sistema kasi dyan, pag ini-edit nyo siya, babalik ulit siya para mag-learn ulit. So, dapat mag-stay siya para yung mga natutunan niya, mas tumagal pa. So, recap lang, sa three campaigns na yon, pwede kayong pumili doon. So, it's either kung creator ka, pwede ka mag-awareness, kung affiliate, marketer ka, traffic, kung business owner ka, conversion or messaging. Ito yung mga pwede nyo itry. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing ito lang yung itatry ninyo. So, the power of ads is beyond sa testing. So, habang nagtetest kayo, nagtetest kung ano yung gumagana at kung ano yung hindi, lalong mas nagkakaroon ng traction dun sa mga pinaggagawa nyo sa loob ng Ads Manager. So, ito yung mga sinabi ko sa inyo, pero don't settle dito sa 3 campaigns na to. Kasi sobrang daming campaigns sa loob ng Ads Manager. Okay? So, sabi ko nga, the content is already strong. Ang ganda nyo nang gumawa ng content or maganda na yung content na gagawin ninyo. So, yung meta ads, pinapabilis niya yung result na gusto mong makita. So, lalo na if pagdating sa business, pagdating sa mga courses, services, or products na binibenta nyo. So, hindi siya, para siyang amplifier. So powers mo na yung yung content eh. So parang artifact na lang yung meta ads para mas lalo ka pang lumakas. So pag pinagsama yung dalawang yan, overpowered ka na. OP. Pwede ka na sa OP7. So para matry ninyo, so yun nga, meron akong shinare, kita ba yung PDF? So this one is a gift na lang for me. It actually this PDF is called Solo Facebook Ad System. So ginawa ko siya before. It's a complete 5-day blueprint for Filipino business owners or content creators na pwede nilang simulan or pwede na silang makapag-run ng ads. I already give this to other business owners and nakapag-run naman sila ng ads and nakita naman nila yung result ng pinag-investan nila. Pero kung ayan, merong mga ads ay campaign tab dyan, ad set tabs, medyo technical. Yan yung mga hindi ko kayang ipaliwanag. Meron kung paano kayo mag-create ng business manager account para makapag-run kayo ng ads. Meron akong mga screenshots dyan para hindi na rin kayo maligaw. So this one, sana magamit nyo siya, lalo na pag mga business owners kayo. So, pero dito kasi, ang sistema ko rito is 500 peso budget yung method na ginamit. So, 500 pesos yung kadalasang pinaka-minimal na sinasabi ko kasi para makapag-run sila ng ads, para at least makapag-learn si Meta ng mas mabilis. So, setting your budget, safety net settings, create ads that make your budget. I think this is a 23-page. Send Paano ko ba ise-send? Ise-send ko na lang siguro yung link mamaya sa may chat button or i-message niyo na lang ako and then ise-send ko sa inyo 'to. So, yun lang naman yung sa'kin. Sana may natutunan kayo and I hope na makapag-run kayo ng first ad niyo using these resources. Thank you, guys.
Grabe, parang feeling ko meron pang hino-hold back si King.
Parang meron
Trinay
pa
talaga niyang
dapat.
i-hold back. Lahat ng kaya niyang ituro. There are some questions for you, King. Kaya mo ba isagot ang tanong na $100 question? Charot! Pero I think Tala has a question. Let's go, Tala. Oh. Oh, I think yung question niya is,
I think
for what...
nasagot na.
Ay, yun na yun. Sige.
Kuya Victor is also an advertiser. So, isa siya sa mga kaklase ko sa
Okay.
isang course. So, shout out sa'yo, Kuya Vic. Thank you for
Let's
attending.
go.
So,
A
yeah,
lot of
correct.
people
Sometimes
following.
even the good targeting and creatives, ads don't work. So, it depends on the behavior nga, sabi ni Kuya Vic, and algorithm. So, minsan, sometimes, your ads works these days and sometimes it didn't. That's how the algorithm changes. So you really need to test, refresh, yan sinabi, and adjust the offer. Kasi in ads, it's not all about the product. It's not all about the ads. It's about your offer, it's about your product, it's about everything. So making it work together, then the ads I think will work and stabilize again.
Right. Ang galing. Ang ganda nung sinabi na the algorithm and the people behavior changes so fast. So,
Mm-mm.
I don't know how you guys do this. Sobrang ang galing niya kasi I feel like it's very psychological. I mean, data and psychology siya. So, na-amaze ako about it. I think Mamita has a question. Mamita, do you have a question or do you want to honor King? Si Abby pala, Okay, si Abby. Let's go, Abby.
Okay, yeah. So I just want to give back. And thank you, King. You pushed us both to have this PC talk. So parang nakakatawa naman yung sharing your knowledge about the FB ads. I'm actually curious about that kasi as a social media manager then, I do that Facebook ads sa company na wino-work ko, which is Nom Nom Figures. So ang ang question ko lang, I have a few questions. Yung first question ko, do you have any video course for the PDF that you did
Wala.
or coming soon? Coming soon, right? Coming soon.
Coming soon siguro,
Yun.
pero currently wala. So siguro soon
Uh-huh.
magpo-post naman ako. So follow niyo na lang ako. Kaya hindi ako nagkwento guys ng about sa story ko. Kanya na lang ako stock na lang yung TikTok ko. Nandun yung buong istorya ko kung paano ako nag-start. So kung gusto yung ma-inspire, punta lang kayo sa may TikTok ko. Nandun lahat ng video ko. Pero siguro soon, very soon, pag meron ng drive to do it. Pero currently working on it naman na. Pero as long as meron tayong ibibigay na free resources, push lang muna yan.
Yun. Tapos nagtatanong si Talo yung about the free resources din. Yun. King, nakamute ka.
Paano ko ba si-send? PDF siya. Pwede ba mag-send ng PDF dito?
Siguro
File. Ito, file.
There we go. King, yun, just want to say thanks again for sharing. I really, really appreciate you and I honor you. Yun, so sobrang nakaka-touch naman. Sana nauna ka na before my talk. Kasi parang parang nabitin yata ako sa talk mo. Parang you're holding back, I'm not sure. Or marami kang natanggal sa presentation mo.
Hindi.
Yun.
Yung presentation talaga, pag ads, pag nagtatalk ako, 2 hours talaga siya, guys. So, talaga, i-open ko yung ads manager ko, i-walk through ko kayo kung ano yung pipindutin and all. Pero, sobrang imposible niya mangyari. So,
Okay.
maybe soon makapag-talk tayo ng sobrang ganun katagal.
I-
Pero, hindi
yeah.
siya ngayon.
Okay.
Ayaw
So
niya
actually
bigyan ng
this, if you
disservice.
guys
Oo.
want more service or more information about what King is offering, please do follow him, and message him like, hey, I'm so interested about this. Please tell me more. Something like that,
Yes,
right?
oo, ganon.
Yun. Please do support King, guys. So please follow him. I really, really appreciate this.
I am so amazed with you, King. As in, like, ilang taon ka na ulit?
Kata 23 ko.
Okay. Sige.
Anong age ko
Okay.
ulit?
Ikaw ba, Ate RX? Ilang testers?
Huwag mo na akong tanongin. Huwag mong ibalik sa akin yung tanong. But, okay, so, Tala, do you have another question? Do you want to honor King?
Yeah, I would like to actually share a question. King, my question to you is like I've actually shared some questions in the chat box, but short and concise is like I see some of the people, some of the coaches out there, they utilize their lead magnet for building their list, okay, through meta ads. So how do we know like which campaign will be working for our specific thing? Like um, you mentioned about the conversion part. For the conversions, business owners, it's for business owners. For the affiliate people, it's like something else. But is there a kind of litmus paper test to see if the results are actually not showing up? We can like get a pinpoint we can actually have a like not having a second thought like the algorithm we can like understand the algorithm in a proper way, is there a litmus paper thing like where we can see like okay, my ad creative is actually a problem, my offer is a problem. I hope you're actually getting my point. Do you have any sort
Yeah.
of resource?
Yeah. Okay. Your first question is many people using lead magnet to get their emails, to get their contacts and etc. And they're doing that because they're so-called retargeting. So they can upload those emails or contacts so that if they offer something or they offer paid somethings regardless dun sa English pala. Dun sa sa lead magnets is they can sell. They can easily
Mm.
sell because they already have the contacts or the emails of those people who are interested in those niches or in those
Mm.
industry. In terms of results, in Ads Manager, we have a lot of metrics. So you can
Mm.
see if the ads isn't working, if your posts are not working, maybe you can check your CTR, click-through rates. It's so complicated, but you can check the PDF I sent. But I think that's in a Filipino language. I hope you can translate it in ChatGPT if it's good for you. But yeah, you can check the metrics. Every metrics has a compound steps or actions you can do so that the algorithm or the ads become better or the results of the ads really sells. Something like that.
Mm.
I'm sorry, ito yung reason kung bakit hindi ako kumukuha ng international client. Ayaw ko mag-English.
You did great,
I
King.
I
I
really love
swear,
that.
you're
I
doing
really love
really
that, and
great.
I really love that, and I really understand what you're trying to say. But
But
any
if you
thoughts
have
on low CPC?
questions, yeah,
Low
if you have
CPC.
questions, just chat me. I think I'm much more better in chat rather than in
Okay.
speaking English language.
Perfect. Perfect. But you actually did well. You did well. I
Okay.
really appreciate that. Okay. I'm also not like born in English kind of environment. I'm
Okay.
also non-native. So yeah, would love to actually connect with you.
Good job, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, Mamita, let's go.
Hello, King. Wala naman akong question. I would like to honor lang. Ginulat lang kasi ako ni ni RX kanina kasi nagsa-screenshot pa ako kasi as a content creator, as a content creator and real estate broker, isa din to sa mga challenge sa akin kasi usually talaga yung kanina yung sinabi mo na kailangan ko palang dumaan sa ads manager hindi doon sa may yung parang sinasabi lang ni Facebook na boost this parang ibo-boost lang yung content. So as a beginner and neophyte dito sa FB ads, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung pag-present mo kasi hindi siya complicated, sobrang napaka-basic niya. And at the same time, may libre ka pa PDF na if I want to dive it on, titingnan ko lang yun, i-review ko, and then message pa kita. So, sobrang thank you talaga, Bunsoy. Ikaw yung bunso namin sa sa batch 6, pero katulad ni Abby, halimaw ka din sa mga sales
Halimaw
mo.
nga. Halimaw
Ayun.
siya.
Sa
Pero
mga
I like,
sales mo.
yeah, thank
Mm.
you, Mamita, for that. Sobrang totoo. Totoo lahat ng sinabi ni Mamita. Like, sobrang ang galing mo, King. Tutuwa ako sa'yo.
Oo, yeah. Tapos kaya nga, hinihintay ko next year na, syempre, I'm happy for free. Pero syempre, pang kumuha ko, like sa OP7, ng premium or pro, magaguide mo ako. So, same as sa OP7 and sa course mo, nilook forward ko yon. Thank you, King. Thank you for
Thank you,
tonight.
King. Totoo, though. I like the question ni Louie. How did you geek out with meta ads? What made you start doing meta?
Okay. Coach Louie. Nung nakilala kasi ako ni Coach Louie, I'm a social media manager. Okay, I'm a social media manager. Pero as times goes by, yung mga client ko, bibitawan ako nito pag hindi ako nakabenta. Like, dati kasi, ang social media manager, pag ginagawa lang namin, magpo-post kami, mag-engage kami, or gagawa kami ng content, so on and so on. So,
Mm-hmm.
sobrang rare na makakuha kami ng sales pag yun lang yung ginagawa. So, the
Oh.
switch na ginawa ko, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede na mag-stuck ako na baka pwede nila akong palitan anytime. So I
Totoo
found
naman.
a way na meron akong direct relation dun sa sales nila. And yun yung meta ads. So
Wow.
since then, dun ako nag-upskill. Yan, nag-enroll ako sa iba't ibang mga courses. Kaya yan, nakilala ko sila, Kuya Victor, yung mga tao na nandyan sa paligid na sumasagot ng about sa ads, and etc. Pero meta ads naging sobrang parang naging part na siya ng buhay ko eh. Like, parang hindi na ako lumipat ng ibang niche or industry. Parang
Mm-hmm.
all throughout my freelancing journey, naging 1 month SMM lang ako tapos nag-ads na agad. Something like that. Kasi gusto ko, meron akong direct relation na nagsasucceed yung business. So pag nakikita ko kasi na lumalaki yung sales ng mga business owners, iba
Yeah.
yung effect sa akin. So
Aww.
parang yumayaman din ako in a sense. Kasi pag nakikita ko na dati nandito lang sila sa maliit na place, ngayon may mga warehouse na sila and etc. So sobrang satisfying
Nice.
lang na makita na ganun. So doon ako nag-start talaga, SMM, then switch sa ads na.
Ano yung 100K following mo? Sorry, if you don't
About
mind.
sobrang tagal na nun, about naman siya sa life ko as an engineering student. So nag-start kasi ako
Oh.
sa master camp, basta master camp batch 9 nang ang content ko is about engineering. So
Right.
doon nag-start, nagkaroon ako ng group ng 90K na Facebook group, 100K na followers sa iba't ibang. Doon siya nag-start. And then, yun nga, hindi na siya masyadong nag-a-align. Pero,
Aww.
engineering student pa rin naman ata ako next year. Tignan natin kung makakapag-enroll. May 1 sem pa ako eh.
Let's go,
Bago
King! Thank you,
graduate.
King! Sobrang nakakatawa ka. Very good ka. I love you na. Thank you, everybody. And of course, thank you as well, Abby, for sharing us your story as well. And Kiking, guys, alam ko nabitin talaga kayo sa talk
Oo,
ni
sorry guys.
King.
As in kan talaga, 2 hours talaga dapat yun. Kaya lang hindi talaga kaya. Sorry, sorry.
I
Pero may
totally
PDF naman eh.
understand.
Sundan nyo na lang.
Oo. Kasi syempre, you don't wanna make like a disservice dun sa craft and sa, sa service na binibigay mo. And I get it. Sometimes ganyan din si Louie na parang, kaya ba iksian yun? Pero kasi you wanna give more. I think it's coming from you wanna give more, you wanna help more, and you think like, it's a disservice for them kung hindi kompleto. 'Di ba yung ibibigay. So if
Yeah.
you guys wanna know more and learn from King more, then follow him on his TikTok and his socials. He has his Facebook, TikTok as well. There you go. Guys, thank you so much once again for being here with us tonight. Tama na ba ako? Presenter view, let's go. Can you guys see me? Ay, hindi. Nakikita niyo yung kodigo ko. Ayan. Asa na ba ako? Where am I? I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. But once again, I would like to say thank you to Abby and King for sharing their passions and what they love about what they're doing. And to more of that, guys, to more of that, to more of pursuing your passions, to what makes you come alive. Yun talaga yung gawin natin. And yun naman yung pinaka-purpose talaga ng Passionate Creators when we started this